Hi, this is Mark with PanurgyOEM, and today I wanted to share a quick case study about one of our newer clients. This client is a major printer manufacturer who has their printers in over 10,000 locations across the US. Their clients use these printers for high-end photo printing, so uptime is critical to the success of this manufacturer's business. The manufacturer did all of the repair work themselves in-house. We began our relationship by taking some of their overflow that exceeded their capacity. Starting with fewer than 30 repairs a week, we were turning these units around very quickly, handling the diagnostics, repairs, packaging, and shipping them back to the client. Within a few months, they saw the value in our service, which led us to earning their entire repair business. We're now handling over 300 units a week. Through faster turnaround time, the manufacturer discovered that they saved money by minimizing swap inventory, and they have better visibility to where the printers are in the repair cycle by handing it to us. Divesting themselves of the repair function freed them up to do what they do best, build great printers. To learn how we can help you get out of the repair business, message me and let's talk.